Hey Sanjay, I need your help. Our company is moving some systems to Azure, and I keep hearing about the shared responsibility model. But honestly, I'm not fully sure what it means or what exactly we will still be responsible for.
That's a crucial topic, Rohan. Think of it as a partnership between you and the cloud provider. Both share responsibilities, but the split depends on the service type.
Start from the basics. How was it before the cloud?
In a traditional corporate data center, you own everything. You manage the building security, cooling, power, servers, operating systems, apps, even patching and upgrades. Basically, if something fails, it's your headache.
So, how does the cloud change that?
With Azure, Microsoft takes over part of that work. They handle the physical data center, network, power, cooling, and hardware maintenance. You no longer have to worry about someone breaking into the server room or replacing a dead disk.
So, we just relax?
Not exactly. You still have major responsibilities like protecting your data, controlling who can access what, and securing the devices that connect to the cloud. Here's a simple rule of thumb: you are always responsible for your data and information, devices that connect to the cloud, PCs, mobiles, IoT, user accounts, identities, and permissions. Azure is always responsible for the physical data center, the physical network, the physical hosts.
Okay, but you said some things depend on the service type?
Exactly. Let's take databases. If you use Azure SQL Database, that is platform as a service, Microsoft maintains the database software, patches, and infrastructure. You just manage your data. But if you spin up a VM, that is infrastructure as a service, and install SQL yourself, you are responsible for patching, configuring, and maintaining it. Let's break it down. Here's our list of components that make up any IT service, from the building and servers all the way to your applications, data, and user access. In infrastructure as a service, Azure takes care of the physical stuff, the data center, the network, and the hardware. But you still manage the operating system, the runtime, your applications, your data, and who can access it. With platform as a service, Azure does a bit more. They look after the operating system, runtime, and scaling. You just manage your applications, your data, and your access controls. And with software as a service, Azure manages almost everything. Your job is simply to manage your data and who can access it. So as you move from infrastructure as a service to platform as a service to software as a service, you can see the green grow, meaning less for you to manage and more handled by Azure.
So, the more we move towards SaaS, the less we manage?
Exactly, but you never give up responsibility for your data and access control. Think of it like housing. With on premises, it's like building your own house. You take care of everything, from the structure to the furniture to the repairs. With information as a service, it's like renting an empty apartment. The building is taken care of, but you furnish and maintain the inside yourself. With platform as a service, it's like renting a serviced apartment. Furniture and cleaning are included, so you just bring your belongings. And with software as a service, it's like booking a hotel. Almost everything is handled for you. You just manage your own stuff and your access.
Got it. The more service you choose, the less you maintain. This is much clearer now. So, in short, cloud isn't set and forget. Even with Azure, we must secure our own data and identities.
Exactly. The shared responsibility model means you secure what you control. Azure secures what they control. Knowing the line between the two is key to avoiding security gaps.
Confused about where your responsibilities end in Azure? Drop your questions in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more real world Azure breakdowns.